All right, my friends, slide all the way to the back of the raft. Buckle up those seatbelts quickly, please. They're going to be one on the left, one on the right. They meet in the middle.
Mantenerse sentados con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la balsa. Y cuiden a sus niños. Oh, y no olviden.
You're gonna get soaked because you sit next to Grandma, and Grandma attracts all the water.
What a nice,
Why, hello,
relaxing
rafters.
ride.
For a safe ride, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. Don't forget to watch your kids.
Where
And
did
please,
Disneyland die?
don't be a
They
little
didn't
bug.
go to the cannons.
There's no cannons.
It's not? You took them out? Oh.
And look at the schedule.
Tons of money. People just took
So
it
honestly,
apart.
Who's ready to have the best day ever?
Okay, you put a quarter in and you get like 10 bombs. Just absolutely saturate. Was that fun, Kylie Bear? Right up my back. Right up the back of my head. Oh, I laid you down gentle. How deceiving.
Grandma. Make a nice face.
Oh, Oh my god. Your butt's soaked now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's hard to walk all day like that. You get a chiropractic adjustment on this ride.
Why are we going backwards? There you go.
Oh no.
No, not us. Oh no!
Here we go. You see that?
Your feet feels good.
Yeah, that's so good.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. I know, hopefully.
But then it spins, so we have to. I hope it lands on you too.
Oh, hey, watch it there, girl.
Yeah, and then it spins.
You got nailed again, girl.
Oh, gosh.
Oh no!
No!
Mommy, right there.
We have to go on again.
Oh, man.
I want to be wet. That was so fun.
You didn't get just a little sprinkle? I didn't get too bad. My feet are so short. You got water coming out of there. Oh, geez.
Oh, these are water. So bad.
It's over.
What are we going with that?
I don't know.
Please remain seated with your feet
I don't know, but I've been doing a lot of
I
spinning.
think we're
We did a
doing
lot more
Guardians of the
spinning than we did last time.
Yeah, it's super fun. Grandma doesn't like spinning.